These ones, these, ooh, so big. This is so big, guys. Look at it.
Hey guys, do you know what time it is? It's gardening time!
And once you see the milky substance on the plant of the lettuce, you know that the lettuces are getting old, so I'll have to start some fresher ones. Hi guys, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. I know it has been a long time, about 4 weeks, and some persons have reached out. Thank you for those who were very concerned, but we were just doing some work behind the scene and taking a little bit of break. Alright, so this is our first video for 2025. For those of you who don't know us, my name is Soraya, and that's why it's behind the camera, and sometimes you see Jojo once in a while. Welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. How is your new year so far? I hope that you have been enjoying your new year so far, and I hope that you'll have a prosperous and a healthy one. And here is Jojo beside me. What do you want to say? You don't know? You just practice what you wanted to say. Say.
I don't know.
Alright guys, so we have been doing some work behind the scenes, and so we'll give you a tour in a couple of weeks time, but for now we're just going to do a very short harvesting video, so come along with us. Alright guys, our pepper plants have never failed us yet, so we have been harvesting on a daily basis, and we have been privileged to give some of our friends and neighbors some of the peppers. Can you imagine $1,000 a pound for hot peppers? And my neighbor was saying to me that he was giving the seller $100 to buy pepper. She said, no, that can't work. So we were so happy to bless him with some peppers, and he was so grateful. Can you imagine $1,000 for a pound? Not a pound, it's a pound, he said? Pound? I don't know what's the quantity, but $1,000 for pepper. Anyway, so we have our own, and every time we harvest, we bless somebody with some. So look at these ones. These, ooh, so big. This is so big, guys. Look at it. And I think because of the rains that we have been having and burial and all those conditions, prices are going up. But $1,000, I think that is too steep. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. This one almost look like a mini bell pepper. And the good thing with these habaneros, they are not hot like the scotchy, so you can even put one of this in your pot. Just burst it a bit, and it gives a nice flavor, especially when they are green. We have quite a few of the country peppers. They are not so massive as the first time, but I think something is wrong with the plant, because anytime you see the plants going this dark, look at the color of it. Now take a look underneath the leaves, and there you go. So we have some white flies. So that is what's happening. So we'll have to treat this plant some other time. Alright, so when I say country pepper, what I'm talking about is the scotchy, Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to leave the green ones for now. Guys, I'm not sure what's going on, but the cucumber plants for this season, they're not doing so wonderful. And we have this cucumber hanging on for the longest while, not growing any further. So I'm just going to take it off. This one has turned yellow. So I'm just going to pull it and put it in the compost, put it in the pot. Look at this. This is a big spinach leaf. All right, so this one is looking good. What happened is that we did not plant the spinach in this container. What happened? The spinach from the wall, the seeds are dropping all over the place, and then so we are having spinaches coming all over the garden. Here is one other cucumber on the same plant, has not been growing, so I guess it wasn't properly pollinated. So I'm going to take it. It's still edible at this state. We might have to pull the plant out and then, do it over. But guess what? I'm seeing some actually new growth up top with quite a few small cucumbers. So let's see. We'll just address the bottom leaves. Take off the bottom leaves so that the disease doesn't spread to the leaves that are actually not looking so bad. So we'll address that shortly.
Hey guys, do you know what time it is? It's gardening time!
Alright guys, this is one other cucumber plant. So we tend to do a lot of succession planting. So this one is not looking too bad. And there's a fruit down there. So I'm going to allow Latai to pick it. So there are about 4 or 5 young fruits that are on. So this is the best looking plant. So I will have to treat it so it can continue to grow some more. All right, so yes, the plant is spreading. This one is looking lovely, as I said before. And look, guys, look down here. We have this other vine coming from it. So we need to take care of this one pretty good. All right. All right, this okra, I'm not sure if it's gone, like totally. No, it's still harvestable. So let me just take it. I'm not sure what's happening with the okra plants. I guess we have been having quite a very funny weather. 1 minute is hot, 1 minute is super cold. So okra plants are not doing so well. But we're still picking fruits from it now and again. All right, so let's pick from our lettuce. So I'm going to get the outer leaves. I'm not sure how much time we have to grow lettuce, but we are grateful at this time to get lettuce because they too, I pull this plant out. All right, they too are a bit expensive in the market. And once you see the milky substance on the plant of the lettuce, you know that the lettuces are getting old, so I'll have to start some fresher ones pretty soon, if time allows and if the weather allows.
Hey guys, I have a gardening poem for you. And the poem is about what we get from the garden. We get cucumbers, peppers, and even radishes. We also get peppers and lettuce and every other stuff that we get from the garden, even pumpkin. We don't have to go to the shop to buy stuff because we have our food in the garden.
Awesome, very good. Come give me a high five. Good job.
And you say it.
So these are the ones that are in the pipes. I'm not going to pick from them because they are still small. But we have a variety of lettuces here, multicolored ones. Some red romaine, I think this is red romaine, and some other ones. I do not remember the name of some of these, but there are different varieties in the pipes. All right, so we're continuing to pick some more lettuces. And these ones are grown in containers. And Joanna is having her fun singing. All right. So you can go in anything, guys, whatever containers you have. And right in my hand is a lot of food and also a lot of money.
And grow the harvest stuff from our garden. Auntie and mother, our gardening auntie and mother, our gardening they don't have to go to the shop to buy food because we have fruits and vegetables at our garden.
Okay, let me get some more. We have a lot of weeds in this bed competing. So we have in this bed we have tomato, we have some ginger plants here, basil, and the lettuces, and a bunch of weeds. So we'll have to come in one day and just tidy up the bed a bit. But as I said, I mean, if you're able to grow food, please do because you save a lot of money when doing that. And also, in one tiny space, you can grow a lot of food. As you can clearly see here, we have the tomato plant, lettuces, ginger. Right. So yes, you can grow your own food little by little. All right. So if you're able to, please do that. Just start, just start, just start. And you can do it. Don't think you can't do it. Don't think that you need to have a green thumb. Just start. Okay. In here, in this container, we also have some lettuces and also we have a tomato plant growing and some potato plants are in. So we're growing as much food as we possibly can with God's help. All right, guys, take a look at my container. Let's take a look. All these wonderful colors. We have some green, purple coming through, red. Yeah. So this is what you're able to do in your own backyard, growing your own food for your family and saving quite a substantial amount of money. So why not start the process? I'm not saying that this is easy, especially if you're working full time, which we are, but the rewards, they are very great, as you can see, and the smile on my face shows it, right? All right, so thank you for joining us in today's video. Today's September. Today is January 8th, 2025. Right. We will see you pretty soon, not sure when, because we're back to work. And do take care and have a lovely day. By the way, if you're enjoying our videos and you have not yet subscribed, you can do so if you want. You can also like, comment, and share because I'm sure that other family members of yours or other friends of yours will, not mind seeing what we're doing in Kingston, Jamaica. All right, so do take care. Bye bye.